I am your father. Well, yeah, we upgraded the lightsaber. Now it's even more powerful. Now, actually, all we did was use a computer power supply to create this absolutely terrifying bootleg lithium battery charger and get the 18650 lithium battery in this thing up to full charge. So now we can burn a lot more stuff with it, and the beam looks way brighter. So let's do some more experiments with it and see what it can do now that it is twice the power.
Laser safety is extremely important when dealing with lasers, especially ones as powerful as my lightsaber. Now, despite how easily my 300 milliwatt red laser burns and cuts things, it actually isn't dangerous to get hit by the laser on your skin, since skin does not absorb red light, so it just passes straight through without hurting you. But there is still a safety issue when working with high power lasers like this, and that is your eyes. You do not want a laser melting a hole in your retinas. Now, more powerful lasers can actually damage your eyes just by looking at the spot on the wall, but for a laser of this power, that's not really an issue. You should still wear laser goggles though, because of the possibility of you accidentally dropping the laser or accidentally pointing it at something reflective and the beam reflecting straight into your eye. To avoid stuff like that, always wear laser goggles when working with lasers. Now, the color of the goggles is especially important depending on what kind of laser you use. These green goggles are good for blue, purple, red, and ultraviolet lasers, but if you have a green laser, then you should use orange goggles. So, I'm not going to tell you not to try this at home, but if you do, be sure to put on those laser goggles and stay safe.
Now, it can annihilate balloons almost instantly now.
It can also light matches on contact now, which proves that as well as being very good at cutting things, the laser beam is also extremely high temperature. Next, I tried cutting some electrical tape with it, because I wanted to prove that this thing is a really good sword.
See that bright glow when this laser hits a piece of wood? It's actually heating a tiny spot on that wood up to about the temperature of the surface of the sun. The reason this laser can produce such crazy temperatures at such a low output power is because, unlike most more powerful lasers, this laser diode actually operates in single spatial mode. That means the laser is especially designed to focus down to a much smaller dot, which means they can produce such crazy temperatures when hitting something like a piece of wood.
I also tried hitting a piece of paper with this laser beam, and it actually punches straight through. This lightsaber is actually one of my favorite things that I've ever built on this channel, and in the future I plan to make it even stronger by using a new 1-watt Nichia laser diode that I just got, and I'm just waiting in for some driver parts to come in, and I should be able to make this thing even scarier.